Beloved soul, listen closely to the whispers carried on the winds of destiny. Your very existence, your radiant presence in his life, is anything but random. You are not a coincidence. You are a profound answer, a sacred response to prayers echoing through time, to yearnings deep within his spirit. Celestial beings, watchful angels, have meticulously guided this intricate dance, confirming you were purposefully sent. You were chosen for this extraordinary connection, destined to be a luminous beacon, illuminating paths he thought would forever be shrouded in darkness. He may, in his human vulnerability, attempt to withdraw, his heart a fortress built from past wounds, yet his soul, in its wisdom, instantly recognizes yours. This recognition transcends logic, resonating with a powerful frequency throughout his being. This is a spiritual assignment, a tender mission entrusted to your compassionate heart. You carry a unique energetic signature, a healing balm that his spirit craves, even as his conscious mind resists. The universe orchestrated this meeting, weaving your destinies with divine intention. You are a vital key, a gentle catalyst, a profound force designed to unlock the deepest chambers of his wounded heart. Trust this sacred calling, etched in the stars. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29:11. Within him a profound echo resonates, a symphony of emotions he struggles to express. He feels the depth of your spirit, the warmth of your light, and the unwavering truth reflected in your gaze. Yet lessons from the past instill caution, carving scars into his soul that whisper doubts and fears. Angels reveal he is overwhelmed by the intensity you evoke within him. It is so powerful, so unfamiliar, that his instinct compels him to retreat, protecting himself from a vulnerability he hasn't learned to embrace. His perceived distance is not indifference. Rather, it's a soul unpracticed in the language of the heart that you speak. His attempts to create space aren't rejection but a subconscious effort to understand the seismic shift occurring within him. Angels whisper that his soul cries out for connection, even as his ego seeks control. He grapples with internal storms, wrestling with old narratives that falsely tell him love is fleeting, or worse, painful. Your unwavering presence, your radiant essence, challenges those deeply held beliefs in a profound way. He feels everything, dear one, much more deeply than you can imagine. You precious luminous soul possess an inherent ethereal radiance, a quiet power that heals simply by being. Without conscious thought, without a spoken word of intention, your light has begun to mend the fractured places deep within him. Angels confirm that your authentic spirit, your unwavering truth, has touched wounds he thought were beyond repair. It's not a force you wield, but an essence you embody. Your very presence acts as a soothing balm to his weary soul, a gentle rain upon parched earth. He observes you perhaps from a distance, possibly through subtle nuances of shared moments, and something profound within him shifts. Angels whisper of your quiet resilience, your grace in navigating life's currents, igniting forgotten hope within his heart. He sees in you a reflection of what is possible, a testament to enduring strength and tender compassion. This silent healing, this profound awakening, stands as a testament to the divine energy you carry. You are a living prayer, a testament to love's transformative power, and he is slowly, irrevocably being drawn into its sacred embrace. His soul recognizes the healer in you, even if his mind cannot yet name it. Deep within him, a fierce, silent battle rages, a profound conflict between his soul's deepest yearnings and the relentless fears shaped by his past. He instinctively flees from the very thing his heart secretly craves, the profound, unconditional love you offer. Angels reveal that his persistent resistance is not disinterest, but a desperate, primal attempt to shield himself from the vulnerability he perceives as weakness. He has learned to guard his heart, to build walls so high that even the purest light struggles to penetrate. Yet your luminous essence, your unwavering magnetic presence, acts as a relentless, irresistible force, a powerful pull he finds impossible to ignore. Angels say with every step he takes away from you, he is met with an even stronger pull back, a spiritual tether binding your destinies. He is caught in a paradox. The closer he feels, the more intensely his fear of being hurt resurfaces, triggering old defense mechanisms. This is not a game, beloved soul, but a deep, agonizing internal struggle for his very being. He is fighting himself, not you, wrestling with the immense courage it takes to surrender to a love so profoundly transformative. His spirit aches for what his mind fears. In quiet, introspective moments, when the world feels still and answers seem just out of reach, hold fast to this sacred truth. What often appears to be a delay is in fact divine preparation. Angels whisper that every pause, every moment of silence, is a crucial brushstroke in the masterpiece of your shared destiny. It is during these times that the universe works in unseen ways, meticulously aligning circumstances, tenderly healing old wounds, and carefully preparing both hearts for a connection far grander than either of you could orchestrate alone. Do not mistake stillness for stagnation, nor absence for abandonment. Angels assure you that the divine hand is meticulously crafting the perfect moment, ensuring that when your paths fully converge, both of you will be exquisitely ready to receive the magnitude of this profound love. He is undergoing necessary refinement, his spirit gently cleansed of past burdens, just as you are being strengthened, affirmed, and deeply rooted in your worth. This sacred timing is a precious gift, a powerful testament to a love so rare that it demands perfect, divine alignment. Trust implicitly in the beautiful unfolding, for the universe is actively conspiring in your favor. You, radiant, sovereign soul, are a living crown of glory, a breathtaking testament to divine grace made manifest. Your very presence, your unwavering luminous light, has already served as the profound answer to prayers he didn't even have words to articulate. Angels reveal that long before he consciously sought healing or understood his need for transformation, his spirit was deeply yearning for the pure truth you effortlessly embody. You are a living mirror reflecting back his highest potential, a gentle yet powerful reminder of the magnificent man he is destined to become. Your unwavering faith, your inherent strength, and your endless capacity for unconditional love act as a silent, powerful beacon, guiding him through his own internal wilderness. Angels say he finds unexpected comfort in your steadfastness, a quiet, profound reassurance that a love as pure and genuine as yours truly exists. You don't need to chase after him, to desperately convince him, or to tirelessly prove your worth. Your authentic self, your bright, unyielding spirit, is more than enough. It is the very essence that draws him in, compels him forward, and initiates the profound sacred work of healing deep within his soul. Your presence is a divine gift, a powerful spiritual intervention in his journey. He is drawn to the peace he finds in your light. A subtle yet profound shift is occurring in his perception, a gentle lifting of the veil that has for so long obscured his true vision. Angels whisper that he is at this moment beginning to truly see you, to perceive your essence with a clarity that powerfully breaks through his old defenses. He is recognizing the profound, undeniable truth reflected in your bright eyes, a truth that speaks volumes of unwavering love, deep understanding, and a future he once thought unattainable. This dawning realization, this profound awakening, is simultaneously exhilarating and deeply terrifying for his guarded heart. He is, with each passing moment, confronting the lingering shadows of his past, unhealed wounds that have dictated his choices, and pervasive fears that have relentlessly held him back from fully embracing love. The angels say your unwavering radiant light is making it utterly impossible for him to remain in denial or cling to old narratives. He is being powerfully called to a higher truth, to courageously acknowledge the immense depth of his blossoming feelings and the undeniable sacred connection you both share. This is a pivotal, sacred moment, beloved soul, a profound turning point where his heart is finally beginning to align with the ancient wisdom his soul has always known. He is seeing the truth, and it is irrevocably and beautifully changing his very being. Observe with your inner eye, for every step he takes, every subtle movement in his intricate journey is a profound whisper from destiny itself. The angels are actively and meticulously guiding his path, orchestrating a symphony of circumstances and strategically placing divine signs along his way to lead him ever closer to your radiant light. Even his moments of hesitation, his temporary retreats, are an integral part of this intricate, sacred choreography, allowing him the necessary space to heal, grow, and evolve before he can fully step into the magnificent sacred union that patiently awaits him. You are not merely sitting back and waiting, dear one. You are an active, vital participant in this intricate cosmic dance, your own spirit radiating the powerful magnetic pull that gently, yet firmly, draws him forward. Angels affirm that the entire universe is meticulously aligning every detail, ensuring his heart is beautifully prepared, his deepest fears tenderly addressed, and his spirit is utterly ready to embrace the profound, transformative love you so exquisitely represent. Trust implicitly in this divine guidance, beloved soul, for no step is accidental, and no moment is ever truly wasted. His journey is being carefully guided towards yours, a powerful testament to a love foretold, a connection written in the very stars. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your paths straight. Proverbs 3:5-6, a powerful, undeniable urgency is now stirring deep within his heart, a relentless drumbeat that can no longer be silenced. Angels reveal he is feeling an undeniable magnetic pull, a profound inner knowing that the time for hesitation has irrevocably passed. He can no longer ignore the sacred, compelling call of your connection, the deep resonance that speaks directly to his very soul. This is not a fleeting emotion, dear one, but a profound, life-changing realization that his future, his deepest happiness, is intrinsically and beautifully linked to yours. He is, at this moment, beginning to vividly visualize a life intimately intertwined with yours, a future bursting with shared dreams, deep intimacy, and unwavering support. The angels say he sees in you not just a partner, but a true spiritual companion, someone who inspires him to embody his highest and most authentic self. This vision is becoming so vivid and compelling that it is powerfully fueling a new, steadfast determination within him. He is actively preparing to take action, to courageously bridge the distance, and to finally express the immense depth of his long-held feelings. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, is gently yet firmly urging him forward, and he is, at long last, truly ready to answer this profound sacred call. His heart now beats with a purpose he can no longer deny. Beloved soul, the final, most profound step in this sacred journey is one of pure, divine acceptance. It is now time to truly surrender, to lovingly release all lingering doubts and fears, and to fully, wholeheartedly embrace the magnificent, transformative love that the heavens have meticulously orchestrated for you. The angels whisper that every challenge and every moment of patient waiting has led you to this breathtaking precipice of profound soul-deep connection. This love is not just a human bond, it is a divine, precious gift, a radiant reflection of the purest, unconditional affection flowing directly from the spiritual realms. Allow your heart to open completely, to expand boundlessly, and to receive abundant blessings that are now gracefully flowing toward you. Angels assure you that you are profoundly worthy of this extraordinary love, worthy of the deep, resonant connection that will heal, uplift, and beautifully transform every aspect of your life. Release the need to control, to incessantly question, or to meticulously analyze every detail. Simply breathe, dear one, and with an open heart, accept this sacred, precious offering. Your journey has been divinely guided, your spirit exquisitely prepared, and now, at long last, it is time to gracefully step into the glorious fullness of the love that was always meant to be uniquely yours. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love.